And we just heard from Congresswoman Marjorie Taylor Greene, after she was suspended from Twitter. The site accused her of spreading misinformation about vaccines. The Georgia Republican accused Twitter and other social media sites of attacking her freedom of speech. Her 12-hour suspension is going to be over soon, but she could face permanent suspension if her tweets keep on getting flagged. This week, President Biden criticized social media sites for allowing misinformation about vaccinations to spread and says he wants them to do something about it.